We present this magnificent 3-bedroom apartment, located in a luxury resort in Vilamoura, next to the prestigious Victoria Golf Course, with 150 square meters of living space. This property stands out for its spacious and bright interiors, including a generous living room with direct access to a pleasant terrace. The kitchen is fully equipped and includes a separate laundry area. The apartment also features 3 bedrooms, 2 of which are en suite, ensuring comfort and privacy. Set within a gated condominium, it offers premium facilities such as reception services, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, a gym, and a children's play area. A unique opportunity to live or invest in the heart of Vilamoura.